Goodwill brings to you the post-market update dated January 6, 2023. NIFTY fell for the third consecutive session on January 6. At close, NIFTY fell 0.74% or 132.7 points at 17,859.5. Volumes on the NSE again fell, suggesting indecision on the part of traders to trade. At close, the Sensex was down 452.9 points or 0.75% at 59,900.37. On the stock-specific front, Britannia, Mahindra and Reliance were among the biggest NIFTY gainers with a change of percent up to 1.06. On the flip side, TCS, JSW Steel, and Indus A&D Bank were among the top drags, down up to 2.79%. Among sectors, IT, metals and financials were the top losers. For the development in the corporate segment, we have realty firm MACROTECH Developers Limited reported a 16% growth in its sales bookings at 3,035 rupees crore in the third quarter of this fiscal on better housing demand. MACROTECH Developers added 4 new projects having around 5 million square feet of saleable area with gross development value of 8,500 rupees crore across various micromarkets of Mumbai metropolitan region and Pune. The company has already added about 17,800 rupees crore of GDV so far, exceeding our full-year guidance of 15,000 rupees crore. In a regulatory filing, MACROTECH Developers informed that the company has achieved its best-ever Quarter 3, October-December, pre-sales performance of 3,035 rupees crores, showing a growth of 16% on a year-on-year basis. VODAFONE Idea has reportedly approached several banks to get loans adding up to 7,000 rupees crore. The State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, HDFC Bank and IDFC First Bank are among the banks that the telco has approached. The lenders have, however, sought clarity from the telco on the government's potential shareholding and its plans to infuse capital in VI. The bulk of the loans will be used to pay a part of its dues to Indus Towers. VI has dues of 7,500 rupees crore that it needs to pay to Indus Towers. The company has committed to the tower company that it would pay 100% of the dues from January onwards. Indus Towers has warned VI that if the company fails to clear its dues, it would lose its access to tower sites. ALEMBIC Pharmaceuticals has received approval from the U.S. health regulator to market a generic drug used to treat overactive bladder in adults. The company has received final approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for its abbreviated new drug application for fesoterodine fumarate extended-release tablets in strength of 4 mg and 8 mg. Shares of DABUR India suffered a steep decline on January 6 after the company said demand trends for the industry remained weak during the third quarter, with rural markets staying under pressure. In its business update, the company highlighted that the pressure was further accentuated by the late onset of winter in North India, but early signs of moderate recovery were visible towards the latter part of the quarter, coupled with some cool-off in inflation. On account of the challenging macroeconomic environment and muted category growths in the quarter, DABUR's India business is expected to report low to mid-single-digit revenue growth. Sagachi Industries Limited was trading 19.6% up in today's trading session. As we can see in the chart, stock was trading with volume of 5,45,000. Also, the stock is trading above its moving average, which comes to 278.95 rupees, which is positive sign for the stock. The relative strength index for the stock is above 50, representing uptrend in the stock. A big green candle can be seen today, signifying positive signs in this stock in short term. Sabar Flex India was trading 10.43% down in today's trading session. As we can see in the chart, stock was trading with volume of 110,000. Also, the stock is trading below its moving average, which comes to 15.15 rupees, which is negative sign for the stock. The relative strength index for the stock is below 50, representing downtrend in the stock. For stocks to watch, we have Jindal SAW, which could outperform in the near term because of the volume spurt for the holding period of 7 to 10 days. The buying level would be at 114 points, stop loss at 107 points with a target price of 121 rupees. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, email, or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please do like, share and subscribe our video for the latest updates in the stock market.